Hey guys, Cassidy here. As you can see, I have this big box right here, the back of my trunk, and I'm so excited with this. TLYARD is working with us today, and they sent us this Tesla Model Y car fridge. So I'll show you guys how to install this. It's pretty easy, straightforward, and just a little note here: once you receive this box, make sure that this side up, it will have a label on here. It has to be standing up because it has a compressor inside. If not, it's still okay, but you have to wait at least 24 hours until you can basically turn on the refrigerator. So we're gonna do the unboxing, and hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, Cassidy here. So we're in the part where we're gonna install the fridge on this 2026 Tesla Model Y. And again, you can use my code. I'll put it on my description down below, Cassidy, for you can get 27% off on TLYARD's website. So I'll post the link down the description. So, all right, so the part comes with stored plastic bins right here. Comes with a tray, and this is the bottom part of it, on the bottom part of the fridge. And on the manual, you're supposed to put the bins here on this cubby right here on the side, on the left side of your Model Y. The only problem I have is when I'm trying to put this in, this part right here, this upper part, I have a hard time putting the pins on to connect the two, compartment together. So what I found is the easier way is to do this. So I'm just gonna put this aside. I'll take this compartment cover right here on the trunk. I'll put it on the side, and then this part right here, you can actually take this off. It's pretty easy. You just pull it off. All right, and you can just put it on the side right here. That's, for me, it's an easier way. Okay, so I found the easier way is to just assemble all the parts together while you're still on your trunk right here, because you have a lot of space. And then once you're done, you just put one piece all at once to this cubby right here, and it just makes your job so much easier. Mainly it's because of this pin right here. Okay, so on here there's a little notch right here where you can connect the two, and all you have to do is just basically align it right here. If you go back, you can open right here. So if you look at right here in the back, you just align that part right here, and that's how you can tell that everything is good, snug fit. And then after that, that's when you can put this pin. And again, on their description, you're supposed to do it one by one, but this is just so much easier this way. And then if you go closer, see this pin? You just twist and then lock it in. Okay, there's two pins. The second one, there's a hole right here. You go inside, you just twist and then lock it into place. And now those two are together. So much easier than doing it one by one, basically. And then, oh man, Florida heat right now is so hot. We're having a heat wave. And then this part right here It's just a decorative cover to cover this part right here, so it doesn't look like this part right here. If you look closer, and then you just slide it in, and that covers it. So let's put this all together now, and let's see how so much easier this way. All right, so this part right here is we're gonna put the fridge now on the side. So take this part right here in your Model Y, and then there's this divider right here where you can actually just pull it off and just put it on the side, so you have more space when you put the whole fridge together. Okay, just pull it off, and when you're done, you just kind of snap it back in. Pretty easy. Okay, so let's take the fridge, and then you just kind of slide it in. All right. And then there's actually a cigarette lighter right here on the side. You have to connect it first to power the fridge. All right. Okay, snap it in, install it, and then there you go. Perfect fit, snug. This way is just so much easier than doing it one by one. So the way I did it first and assemble everything all at once, and then pull this out, this part right here, and then just slide it in, connect the cigarette lighter to power the fridge, and then that's it. And then now you just put this back. All you have to do is just snap it back in. You'll hear that click. There you go. It's all back together. And then let's put this back. And voila, install is done. You can open the fridge just like this and close it. Pretty easy. And then you can put the compartment, this compartment right here. I think this is the one below, and it's pretty cool. The design is like Y. That's for the Model Y. All right, let's do this. Okay, and then if you want this one right here, also you just slide it in. And then if you want this tray, you can also slide it in this way and then close it. All right, so to turn on the device or to turn on the fridge, all you have to do is just press and hold for 3 seconds, and that should power on. Let's peel the sticker right here for the first time. Oh, it looks so much better. You can adjust it, and you can hear the fridge also turning on. It's not loud at all, and you can actually feel the air coming out of the fridge. And here's the inside. This is the tray, the 2 cubbies right here, and another one. And this is how deep it is inside. Again, you can put so much stuff in here. If you want to use the divider, you can. For if you want to put Coke or whatever soft drinks in there, cans, and then the top will be like fruits or whatever. And then you can also use the tray. The versatility of this fridge is so much better, and it's way better than having a cooler. And if you're on a you know, going out somewhere, getting some groceries, and you have some produce, meat and stuff, and you're afraid that it's gonna go bad, well, you have a fridge now in your car where you can use it. And let's do some test. We're gonna see how many cans we can fit on this fridge right here. All right, start with just a regular soda can or soda water. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and let's open this up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 cans already. 13, 14, 15, 16, and I run out of cans. So far I have 16 cans right here. I could probably put 2 more on this, and just close it, and then there you have it. So this is like 16-liter capacity on this. It says on the website you can put at least 24 cans. I'm pretty sure you can, because I still have a lot of space on here, as you can see. And yeah, and not just this, you can use it towards whenever you're going camping. I go camping a lot. I do a lot of fishing, and I can put my drinks on here. You know, if you're going up camping with some, you know, your food, and yeah, and you don't have to worry about, you know, coolers anymore, because cooler, it just takes up so much space in your trunk, and this one is just flush. And also when you go out for grocery and stuff, especially when you buy meat, and then sometimes you have a, you know, you worry about the meat going bad if you don't go home right away. And this one, at least you can just store it in your refrigerator right here, and you don't have to worry about getting bad, you know, the food getting bad. So whew. Man, I'm so glad I have this fridge right now, because right now in Florida we're having a heat wave, and it's like 100 degrees plus right now here in Florida. It's crazy. But anyways, thank you again, TLYARD. That's www.TLYARD.com. Thank you so much for entrusting me installing your product to my car. And yeah, this is a game changer for me. Especially I do a lot of camping, do a lot of fishing, and also when, you know, you can also use it on your daily, you know, activities too, when you can put your food in there and you don't have to worry about getting bad. And again, TLYARD, thank you so much. And then you can use my code. I'll put it on my description down below. Cassidy, that's CASSIDY, and you will get 20% discount on their website. You don't have to use the fridge. If you don't want to buy the fridge, you can check their website out. They have a lot of stuff going on in there for your Tesla Model Y, Model 3, even your Cybertruck. And you can get accessories, parts, wheels. And again, this is, you know, my favorite right here is the fridge, because it's so versatile. You know, you just install it and then forget it. And then once you need it, it's right there, just sitting in your trunk. All right, guys, till next time. Peace out.